Today we're going to be going over how to disassemble and reassemble the handle bracket for the CrafTap 3.0 and how to remove and clean the beer and gas valves on the side of the 3.0 filling head. So first thing we're going to do is remove this top black handle. Like that. Like that. Actually, you're going to loosen this ring. And if you need to use a pair of wrench, you can. Just be careful not to ruin the finish on that. So loosen that up a little bit. And then you're going to take a flat head screwdriver and loosen this top stem. So then this will just thread right out. Take this off. You can set this down. And there's a piece that holds the two brackets together. So once you have those removed, then we'll come to the side. It has this little black piece that's covering the side. There is a pin with a flathead to take out to loosen up. So we're going to go ahead and loosen this. Now this whole bracket with the pin will all come out. So just set that to the side. And cap for the side, which allows you to access the valves. So you'll take that off. And then there's two valves, beer and the gas, and there's another that looks like another valve towards the back, but that is just a positioning marker. So only the first two come out. So these, if you take like a little flathead or a little razor flathead or a razor blade, and you can pull one out, pull the second one out, and go ahead and this is what it'll look like. So go ahead and rinse it off, wipe it off with a rag. Take a clean rag, make sure all the O-rings look good, and then go ahead and take some lubrication, some food grade lubrication, and go ahead and lube up the valve. And then now we're going to reinsert it. So we're going to do one of them. Same thing with number two, wipe it off, clean it, make sure the O-rings look good, and re-lube it. Insert it back into its position. Now we're going to put our ring back on. There is a gas and a beer label, so make sure they're lined up correctly when you put it back on. Now that's in. Go ahead and take the bracket again with our pin and stick it in the side. Take your flathead screwdriver and screw the pin back in. That's snug. Now the two brackets we're going to put back together, and this piece is going to be the piece that holds them together. Put that right in the middle, and we're going to take the center stem, which we used, and put that back in the middle. Important to tighten this part down with your flathead to get that in there. This ring tight, use a wrench to tighten that, make sure it's good, but don't ruin the finish. And then make sure the side is tight again. Okay, moves forward, clicks back, got good movement, clicks in position. We're going to put this top handle back on. And then put our black cap back on the side. So now we've removed both the beer and the gas valves, cleaned those out, O-rings look good, handle is back together tight, and click it in position. So now you'll turn your CO2 back on and make sure everything is in working order.